ngasi video sida ai solution chapter gi mole concept based over question khara so tozage and the question say what is the mole fraction of the solute in a 1 molar aqueous solution habini sinita hangi question ni adi aqueous solution am lere solute amagi ko magi molality is 1 molar never go solute ki mole fraction putho habini now let us do this question mole fraction ki solute ki mole fraction ko sigi formula si kari no haba matamda number of moles of solute s in harage ko number of moles of solute divided by number of moles of solute plus number of moles of solvent water tare ko sini formula si ko adu ikoina sida number of moles of solute darkar lay number of moles of solvent water darkar lay ko so now sigi molality 1 molar solution pyramid which means 1 mole of solute ki 1 mole in 1000 gram of water have never equal solution obegani ko adurgati 1 mole of solute ti khange NaC1 pyramid ko adu water ki number of moles puthokna gi namakta magi gram se water ki gram se kya no 1000 gram ni ko sigisi dagi khoina number of moles puthokpi bitare number of moles of water se this is 1000 divided by molar mass of water is 18 and then this comes out to be 55.5 so therefore equation number 1 implies mole fraction of the solute is equal to number of moles of solute is 1 this is 1 plus 55.5 and this value comes out to be 0.0177 this is the answer this is 0 okay this is the first question mathangi question ama ikoi amaka lausi how many grams of methanol should be added to water to prepare 150 ml solution of 2 molar methanol habini ko molarity pire volume pire aduga methanol pire ko methanol ki molar mass darkar legani adu magi mass kya darkar ikoina mass kya darkar legi habini ko now let us solve this question second question ko molarity puthokpagi formula du idringai dai methanol gi ne molecular mass hai m methanol harage ko methanol gi methanol se b harage suppose solute se b on lo nei ko sigi value se magi se eto salo 32 phangani ko gram per mole oibni now music molarity ki formula se karino haikanda number of moles of methanol divided by volume haibani in fact do number of moles ki jagah ta number of moles of methanol divided by volume of solution in ml da oragadi mathak ta ikoina 1000 na multiply taw actually ko the number of moles se mass of methanol divided by molar mass of methanol darka lagine ko into v into 1000 so this wb is to be calculated this is molarity is given as 2 so sidagi koina wb gi value puthoke haragadi molarity into molecular mass of methanol solute into v volume in ml divided by 1000 okay sigisi molarity is 2 molar mass is 32 volume is 150 ml ko divided by 1000 and this value comes out to be 60 kya tarani haikanda 32 into 264 tare ko 64 into 150 toro 64 into 150 se ai multiply to calculation to say the thumb given ko ado answer to dum yang hajrage sige value si kadai no so we are on the ko sige value si kadai no agenda okay he whole lage ko say 64 tare 64 into 150 64 into 150 calculator ko yang se 64 into 150 is equal to divided by kya 1000 natra jida 1009.6 so answer is 9.6 gram. This is the answer. Okay, this is the answer. Now let me move to the third question. Third question is, what is the molarity of sulfuric acid solution that has a density of 1.84 gram centimeter cube? Cc means centimeter cube, gram per ml at 35 degrees centigrade and contains 98% by weight. This is the question. Okay, now let us solve this question. The molarity calculator we have molarity calculator we formula si kaino m is equal to number of moles of solute divided by volume of solution in ml into 1000. This is the formula to be used. Okay, so adu yeng asi number of moles si kya no putho si volume of solution kya no putho si aduga tungan saktarani ko. Now one concentration percentage is given. Sulfuric acid ki solution ni adu mana kari en hare 98% in hare by mass by weight ko. This implies 98 gram of kanagi sulfuric acid in 100 gram of kanagi solution of solution ki 100 gram ne ko 100 gram solution ki mass kya no 100 gram ni solute H2SO4 ki mass kya no 98 ni aduna sigi formula is the therefore number of moles makhange number of moles is 98 gram do adudai the magi molecular mass sulfuric acid ki molecular mass is 98 adu this kya tare 1 mole tare. This is known. Okay, now the volume beteng hare mass of solution is 100 gram and the density of solution is what 1.84 aduna since density is equal to mass upon molar mass mass upon volume, this implies volume puthoke hargadi mass to the density divide torni and mass of the solution is 100 and density of solution is 1.84 aduna 100 ta 1.84 na divide amok tok thosi ko 100 divided by 1.84 this comes out to be 54.3. okay, this is 54.3 ml. This is in ml. Okay, centimeter cube to nico ml hai se ko adu hojik ikoina sigi formulas da apply to sanbiro hence so therefore in harga so molarity is equal to because we are going to calculate molarity of the solution. So molarity is number of moles of solute that is 1 mole, right, divided by volume of solution in ml is 54.3 multiplied by 1000 and this value comes out to be 18.4. now the units of molarity will be mole per liter. This will be the answer. Okay, 18.4. okay, now let me move to the next question. Next question, the fourth one is, this is the fourth question. What is the molarity of a 0.5 normal oxalic acid solution? Now oxalic acid is this question was asked in council of class 12 council. Okay, and basicity or n factor of oxalic acid is 2, so this is to be used. Now normality, the formula to calculate normality is hydrogen ani sei thoi dana ko ani hydrogen ni thok pi aduna magi basicity natragana n factor si kya hogi daba 2 hogi ne ba ko aduna normality gi formula si molarity into n factor ni actually, because molarity is to be calculated. This is the relation between normality and molarity of a solution. Okay, so normality is given, that is 0.5. This will be equal to molarity. This is to be calculated, and n factor of oxalic acid is 2. So therefore molarity of this solution will be 0.5 divided by 2, which comes out to be 0.25 mole per liter. Okay, this is the answer. Okay, let me move to the last question, fifth question. This is the fifth question, and the question is, again this question is based on normality. How many gram of dibasic acid? Dibasic acid means just like oxalic acid, basicity is 2 or n factor is 2. Okay, so n factor is 2, whose molecular mass is mb. Okay, this, since this is the solute, mb is equal to 200. Oh sorry, this is 200. Okay, now how many gram of dibasic acid whose molecular weight is 200 should be present in 100 ml of the solution? So volume of the solution is 100 ml, right? To give a strength of 0.1 normality, and normality is given as 0.1. Okay, now normality is nothing but number of gram equivalents of the solute, number of gram equivalents, okay, divided by volume of the solution in ml multiplied by 1000 in the numerator. So this number of equivalents is nothing but this is mass of the solute. Okay, mass of the solute, that is Wb, divided by equivalent mass of the solute. Equivalent mass of the solute is Ev. Let me write Ev, and the volume into 1000, right? So this will be equal to, let me write here, this will be equal to mass of the solute. It remains like this. Equivalent mass is nothing but molecular mass of the solute divided by n factor, that is basicity, right? This is B, and volume of the solution is there, into 1000 is in the numerator. So in the question normality is given, normality is 0.1, right? So we need to calculate what, let me write this in the next page. Okay, okay, this is 0.1 is equal to mass of the solute divided by molar mass of the solute, volume, into 1000 into n factor. Okay, n factor say si mathak to na pukhale na ko sidagi we are going to calculate this mass. Okay, this mass in gram is to be calculated, right? So this implies Wb is, this is normality. Okay, Wb is 0.1 into molecular mass of the solute is given as 200, volume of the solution is given as 100, and this must be divided by 1000 into n factor. N factor is basicity, which is given as 2 because the acid is dibasic acid. Okay, so this 0 zeros are cancelled, this 0 is cancelled, this gives 10, right? So 10 into 0.1 is 1 gram. So this is the answer, right? So the mass of this dibasic acid must be 1 gram. I think the calculation is correct, right? 200 10 into 0.1 is 1. Okay, this is correct. Okay, this is the answer. So I hope these questions are clear to you all. Let me come with another video from this chapter in the next 1 or 2 days. For today let me complete this video. And please like this video, share this video to your friends, and if you are new to the channel, please subscribe to the channel and also press the notification button. Thank you.